sa inyong lahat, applicants. And this evening, magaganap ang inyong interview. So, first thing first, I want you to tell me about yourself, Mr. Dominic, Cedric, Mr. Russell, and Mr. Edward.
Good afternoon. Yes, sir. Good evening po. Ako po si Dominic Tamayaw. Nakatira sa Coto Grande Reina Mercedes Isabela. Taon ko ay 18 years old. Naipanganak po ako noong April 19, 2005. Salamat po.
Mr. Cedric, are you there? Mr. Cedric. Let us proceed to Mr. Justin Russell. Sir, are you there?
Yes, sir. Good evening po. Hi, my name is Justin Russell R. Obrero. I live at San Mariano, Isabela. I am 19 years old, sir.
Okay, and Mr. Edward, are you there, sir?
Good evening, sir. My name is Edward Angelo P. Lucas. I live at Del Pilar, Cabatuan, Isabela, and I'm 18 years old.
Okay, so let us proceed to the next question. And what is your greatest weaknesses as a criminology? Mr. Dominic?
Sir, yung greatest weakness ko po sa criminology is dun sa subject na EC1. Mahirap po kasi. Hindi ko po kasi maintindihan masyado eh. For sure, mahirap na po talaga ako doon.
Okay, kaya mo din naman siyang pag-aralan eh. Paghirapan mo. So, Mr. Cedric, are you there, sir? Mr. Russell, Edward? Sir, are you there?
My greatest weakness in criminology is the subject history, because it is complicated. The events are complicated, and pwede rin siyang pagtuunan ko ng focus para kahit pa paano is matutunan ko yung mga lessons doon.
Yeah, that's good, Mr. Edward. And let us proceed now to the third question. And what is your greatest strength as a criminology? Mr. Dominic, are you there, sir? Mr. Cedric, Justin?
Sir, I'm here, sir.
Okay.
Sir, my greatest strength siguro sir is yung pagiging hardworking ko bilang isang criminology student. Kasi alam naman po natin lahat na yung iba't ibang course ay mahirap kung hindi mo talaga gusto yung ginagawa mo, sir. Kaya dapat mag-aral lang mabuti para buhay ay mabuti, sir.
You know what? Ang pagiging hardworking is napaka-importante, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Marami siyang benefits sa'yo. Kahit slow learner ka, pag naging hardworking ka, may papasa mo, di ba? So,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Cedric, are you there, sir? Sir Dominic?
Sir, I'm here. Ang greatest strength ko po sa criminology is parang na lang po, makikinig na lang po ako ng maayos upang matupad ang pangarap. Yun lamang po.
For me, sir, ang greatest strength ko sa criminology is yung focus. Dapat nakafocus tayo sa goal natin. Yun lamang po.
Yeah, focus is very important. Pag nakafocus ka sa isang bagay, huwag ka nang lilingon. Di ba? Ganun yun?
Tama.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the fourth question. How do you see yourself in 5 years from now? So anyone to You?
Um, for me, I see myself 5 years from now as a registered criminologist, and then siguro I'm start to work na rin and plan for my next step. That's all.
Okay. Mr. Dominic, Cedric, Mr. Russell?
Sir, 5 years from now, sir, I see myself as a registered criminologist, and I'm looking forward to become a police officer, sir, and become a successful man someday, sir.
Okay, okay. I see, I see. So let us now proceed to the fifth question. Why did you choose criminology as your course? Sir Dominic, Cedric, are you there, sir?
Sir, my inspiration here in my course criminology is my family, my parents, because sila yung nagpupush sa akin, sir, or naka, nagpapaaral sa akin para matupad ko yung pangarap ko ng maging police officer.
Okay, okay. Mr. Cedric, sir, are you there? Mr. Russell, Mr. Edward, are you there, sir?
Sir, pwede po bang paulit yung tanong, sir? Mahina po kasi yung internet dito, sir.
Okay, okay. Why did you choose criminology as your course?
Sir, I choose criminology because it is related to the yung pangarap ko po na maging police, kaya kinuha ko po yung criminology course, sir.
Okay, okay. Good, sir. Mr. Edward, are you there, sir?
I choose criminology because ever since I was a kid, I have interest in holding guns, and I think it would be my passion. That's all, sir.
Okay, good answer, good answer. So let us now proceed to the sixth question. Who is your inspiration? Why you choose this course? You know naman, I know na meron kayong mga inspiration kung bakit nyo pinili tong course na to, di ba? So, anyone sa inyong lahat? Dear applicants?
Sir, siguro po sa akin is yung family ko po. Kasi ako po, simula pagkabata ako, ay wala na po yung mama ko, sir. Kaya ginawa ko siyang inspiration to pursue my dreams na to become a police someday. And I'm looking forward po na maging police po talaga balang araw.
Why nag-left si Mr. Cedric?
I think his internet connection is slow.
Okay, okay. Kasi ngayon lang tong interview nyo. Wala na tong extend. So, pwede nyo ba siyang sabihan na mag-rejoin again para may continue natin tong interview nyo?
And regards nga sa question, I agree with what Russell said. Family. That's all.
Okay. So, Mr. Cedric, are you okay, sir? Mr. Cedric?
Hello, sir. Sorry for the delay. I am having some internet problem. Can you repeat the question, sir?
Wait. So, who is your inspiration why you choose this course? Sir.
My only inspiration is my family, sir, because they They always support me and they the one to educate.
Okay, okay.
We all know that family is our best what call this one, our best supporters in our entire life. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Good answer, sir. So, let us now proceed to the next question para hindi tayo magabihan. So, what do you do to maintain your grades in your course? And do you enjoy studying criminology?
Ah, kasi kanina is nag-usap-usap kaming apat and isa lang naman yung na-summarize ko na sinabi nilang tatlo. Kailangan na mag-aral ng mabuti and syempre dapat ma-manage natin yung oras natin ng maigi, yung study habit natin, and syempre huwag natin papabayaan yung obligasyon natin as a student. Yun lang.
Yeah, that's
Sir, and also po, dapat may tiwala po tayo sa Diyos at lagi po tayo magdasal dahil siya lang po pinakawas po natin.
because we believe that pray it works, right?
Right.
Amen, sir.
Okay, so second to the last question. What is the main reason why did you get this course?
Sir, para po maging reason, para po maging inspired or maging inspired yung mga magulang ko na nagpaaral sa akin.
That's good. So, anyone?
Main reason po siguro, sir, is ano lang po. Pare-parehas naman po kami ng course siguro. Yung main reason po namin is maging good lang po siguro. Maging kapat na isang pulis balang araw dito sa Pilipinas, sir.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So, last question to all of you guys. So, is criminology is a hard course?
For me, sakto lang. Kung mag-aaral tayo ng mabuti and step by step natin itong aaralin, mas easier yung steps para ma-achieve natin yung goals and dreams natin sa buhay.
Okay, that's a good answer, Mr. Edward. Kailangan lang talaga is focus ng focus para ma-achieve nyo yung mga goals nyo in life. Yan, makagraduate para become na law enforcer soon. So,
Thank you, sir.
that ends our interview, guys. So, I want you to congratulate to all of you guys na nasagutan nyo lahat ng interview, and maghintay na lang kayo ng announcement na may ipopost dun sa FB page natin. So, I hope you guys enjoy this session. So, goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you po.
Sir, thank you po.
Thank you, sir.